Hi. Okay, so this is going to be the first video of two videos for your story. Mammoths, Long Ago and Today, Lesson 17. I'll read the second half of the story tomorrow to you. So let's start on page 164 in your packet. It says at the top of the page, Mammoths, Long Ago and Today. Okay. Our world is full of big animals. Still, no beast on land today is big as a mammoth. Mammoths lived in the past. Many mammoths lived during the Ice Age. Much of the land on Earth was frozen. Mammoths had to be tough to stand the cold. They had thick coats of hair. They had body fat to keep them warm. A mammoth weighed about 6,000 pounds. Write two details that show that mammoths were large, tough animals. So think about what I just read and write two things down that show that mammoths were large, tough animals. Okay. Page 166. Oh, I'm sorry. Page 165. Okay. At the top it says plant eaters in green. Plant eaters. Mammoths did not hunt other animals. They were plant eaters. They used their trunks to get tree leaves. They pulled plants from the ground too. They used large, flat teeth to grind up the plants. A mammoth's trunk had other uses too. It gave mammoths a great sense of smell. It let them move rocks and trees out of the way. Mammoths may have locked trunks to say hello. How did mammoths use their trunks? So there's a bunch of examples on this page of how mammoths use their trunks. Try to find at least two examples of how mammoths use their trunks. Okay, you could go back and reread it if you have to. But I want you to answer, how did mammoths use their trunks? Okay, now on to page 166. Okay, life in a mammoth pack. Mammoths lived together in packs. A pack had several families. Each pack had a leader. The leader was the oldest or strongest mother mammoth. Mammoths in a pack did not always get along. They could be fierce. Sometimes they fought with their tusks. The tusks were about 10 feet long. They were tough weapons. The tusks could also dig through snow to get plants. Why do you think mammoths roamed in packs? So this is an opinion question. What would be the advantage of being in a pack in a group of mammoths as opposed to just being alone and not being in a pack? Okay. Page 167 says mammoths and people. People hunted mammoths. Hunters fought the beasts with stone weapons. They ate the meat. They used the bones to make weapons and tools. Experts think that hunters prized mammoths. Hunters made paintings of mammoths in caves. The paintings show the mammoths as they really looked. This is evidence that hunters knew the animals well. What evidence is there that people knew the animals well? I just read it. Okay? So answer that question, and then we'll pick up tomorrow with the second half of the story, okay? We have about 3 more pages to go. And then we have the look back and respond questions that I will go over with you, okay? Thanks for watching, and make sure you watch the next video coming up. And I also posted a social studies video for today, so check that out as well. Okay, thanks for watching.